Alright, so let's learn a little bit about gas sensor. So it has 6 pins which really with variant names, I would say A1, H1, A2, and then there's B1, H2 and B2. Now to read the value you just need one pin to be attached to analog, but the rest of them have to be connected to either 5 volt or ground. So these 3 pins over here we've connected to 5 volt via breadboard, and over here we can see H2 is definitely connected to ground and A1 is connected to a resistor over here of 1 kilo ohm, and then it is connected to ground. Now A2 is the pin that we are going to read, and we are going to read it on analog pin which is A1. Sorry for that. So we can check this out. This is the A1 it is connected to. Now for coding, let's start with first reading what is it that the gas sensor is giving off, the values. So you can just go to print to serial monitor, and let's take an input from A1 pin. So click on start simulation, you can start seeing values and we can see 85. Click on gas sensor to see where the bunch of gas is. So this is really far, so I would say this is the least value, because if I take it farther away too, the value doesn't change. So 85 must be our low point, and we can see it keeps on increasing as I go nearer to it. And here we can see the highest value is somewhere around 300 and something. We can go ahead with 328. So we saw 328, we can go ahead with 328. Now say for example you wanted to print some safety messages or something of those kinds. We can just change this code a little bit. So let's use a variable. I've created one right now which is called value, and I'm going to put the pin we read over here. You can go to if else, and let's use a comparison block. So let's do something like if a value is greater than equal to 250, we ask it to print warning, evacuate immediately, else we will check again. I'm going to use if then else, duplicate, and here greater than equal to 250, and then greater than equal to, let's say this time let's go for 150. Then let's print check your gas watts. Probably you can check and get away with it, and if it is less than that, maybe we can just print you are safe. Let's try this out. So right now you can say it's all about warning, evacuate immediately, because the gas is over here. The farther we take it, we can say okay, now check your gas valves, it's time, and ta-da, you're safe. So yeah, this part of code works. If you want to just see how the text part looks, just go to blocks plus text and you'll be able to get the entire code over here. It's pretty simple. So below the video I'm also going to attach the public link of this code, and you can duplicate and see for yourself and use it. Thank you.